Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see what is bypass flag. For this we are going to create one node called color. Connect the wire from box to color and then give the render flag to color. We are not able to see the color on box, so we'll select color and change the color from the parameters. Click on this color and can select any of the color from here. So I will select red, then create a transform node below the color. And connect to color, then give the render flag to transform, and then we can change the value, like if we want to transform, rotate it a bit in this way, so we can do the changes in the transform. Now in this overall connection we are able to see the box, then we can see whatever changes we have did in the color, and then we can see whatever changes we have done in the transform. In this overall connection we don't want to see the color, but we don't want to delete the node. Then we can bypass it by clicking here. We will not able to see the effect or option which are used in the particular node, so we can hide it temporary by clicking on the bypass node. But we are able to see the transform, like this is not yet bypassed, so we can bypass nodes whatever we don't want to use it temporary, or we can use it further in the projects. Thank you.